Let me unbox this 17-ounce food jar from Energify. This is a thermal container that holds foods warm. I did buy it to send this to summer camp for my son. I think it is a perfect amount of size. He is a tween, so it'll hold enough food while still being small enough and compact enough to carry and fit into his bag. Right off the bat, the material, the quality is amazing, super strong. The little lid turns into a cup and it's perfect to put your food in, little bowl to eat from. There is a little spoon attached which unfolds into its handle and folds back up so you can attach it for compact storage. It's a shame that it's not a spork for things like noodles, etc., but a spoon is really good too for soups. It is insulated really, really tightly. I really love the way it is. It opens up fairly easily for the child, but is still tight enough, vacuum sealed. Comes with gaskets, additional ones. And as you can see inside, this is plenty spacious, really, really good size. I'm happy with it. And this is the height, so it's not too tall at all. And today I made him macaroni and cheese. I fit a really nice, large, decent amount of the pasta into the container and it closed fairly well because the pasta is kind of bulky. I was able to fill it till the top because it still had room to breathe some air, but if it's soup, do not fill it to the top. Then I put it into its velvet carry case and put it into his bag for him. My son ate this in the evening, so I made it around 8 a.m. and he ate it around 5 p.m. And he reported back that it was delicious, it was hot, he loved it. So, all in all, this jar for hot food storage is definitely a success.